guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will learn what a spot trading is all about and how you can actually make money with crypto spot trading. So if you have been hearing about spot trading or you are actually new in cryptocurrency trading, you might be hearing about spot trading, future trading and other tradings like that. So the first thing you need is to choose any decentralized exchange, which is DEX. If you are not familiar with decentralized exchange, a decentralized exchange, also known as DEX, any type of cryptocurrency exchange that allows for peer-to-peer cryptocurrency transactions to take place online with the use of order book. So there are several examples of cryptocurrency decentralized exchange. We have Binance, we have kucoin, we have coinbase and several others like that. But for the sake of this video, I'll be using Binance. So the first thing you have to do is to create an account on Binance. So just go to binance.com. I'll also leave the link in the description of the video. So when you create an account, you need to verify your account. You need to do your KYC, and once you are done, the next thing you have to do is to come here. You need to come to trade, and you can click on spot. So when you click on spot, it will take you to a page like this. So here you are going to see the chart, the current chart of the market. So as you can see, this here is Solana USDT. You can change it to any other assets, crypto assets. You can change it to BTC USD. So BTC USDT. So here you can find the current price of the market for BTC. You can see it is changing. You can see the order book. Here you see the order book, you see the sell order books, and here you are going to see the buy order books. Now here you are going to see the chart. You see the chart here. You can see the 24 hours change for BTC USD. You can see the 24-hour high and low for BTC and the 24-hour trading volume. So here now you can find here the spot. So this is the spot. Now what you have to do, so the way spot trading work is that in crypto trading, all you have to do to make money with crypto spot trading is to buy a particular crypto asset and hold it for a very long period of time, or probably a short period of time, and you buy it at a cheaper price. Then you will sell it at when the price of the crypto asset when it increases. So take for instance, currently now BTC USD is trading around 34,450. So if I should buy a BTC USD for around, probably I want to buy, and I'm trying to buy like $100 worth of Bitcoin. Now maybe the next 1 week, probably the price of Bitcoin has increased from 34,500, which I bought it, and has increased probably to around this range, probably 45,500. So the price of my assets will also increase. So when I check my spot wallet, instead of me seeing $100, the price of my USDT in Bitcoin would have increased probably from the $100 to around 110 or 120 US dollar. So that is what crypto spot trading is all about. So crypto spot trading, all you have to understand, even if you are newbie in crypto trading, you can actually make money trading spot. All you have to do is buy. So you come to trade and click on spot, and then you can just buy any crypto asset But before you buy any crypto asset, make sure you do your own research and make sure that the crypto asset you're actually buying or putting your money into is is going to move and it's not any scamming project. Because if you should buy any crypto asset that on the long run is not going to be valuable, you might probably hold the coin and may not be able to sell. So which is why it is very very important to do your own research first before investing or trying to buy and hold any crypto assets. So spot trading is all about buying uh, buying cheap and selling at a very high price. So even if you are newbie in crypto trading, you can actually start making money with spot trading. So if you have any question, leave it in the comment section. I will try as much as possible to respond to you. And if this video has been helpful to you, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I publish new video. Have a nice day.